Hey everyone, welcome back to Go English. I'm Mizzou.
Hey guys, and I'm Lucas. Hello to all our friends around the world.
It's so nice to see you again.
Yeah, wherever you are right now, maybe at home, maybe on the bus, maybe on the car, you're learning with us.
Aw, I love that, Lucas. Learning together just feels better, right?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, Mizu, by the way, I went shopping yesterday.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
Um, just a simple t-shirt, but wow, the price was not so simple.
Oh no. Expensive?
Yeah, a little too expensive. I was like, okay.
I know that feeling.
Yeah, right? That moment when you hear the price and you're like, should I buy it or just walk away?
Exactly. You know, Lucas, this reminds me of something.
Oh, what happened?
So, imagine this. You're in a store. You see something you really like.
Yeah, nice jacket, nice shoes.
Yes, and you want to ask the price. You can speak English,
Uh-huh.
but in that moment, you feel a little shy.
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling.
You start thinking, how do I ask this naturally?
Uh-huh. Not grammar, but real-life speaking, right?
Exactly, Lucas.
So today, we're going to help you feel more natural, more confident when you go shopping.
Yes, no stress, no overthinking, just real English for real life.
All right, guys, quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to ask the price, but didn't know how?
If yes, don't worry, you're in the right place.
And hey, before we start,
Don't forget to like this video
share it with your friends
and subscribe to Go English.
so you can learn English with us every day.
All right.
Let's go.
All right, Lucas. Let's imagine a real situation.
Oh, I like this already. Let's do it.
So, I walk into a clothing store.
And I'm the shop assistant.
Okay, be nice to me, Lucas.
Of course. Always nice.
Wow, this place is nice.
Hi there. Welcome in.
Oh, hi.
Let me know if you need any help.
Yeah, sure. Thanks. Okay, I see a jacket. I really like it. Wow, this looks good.
Yeah, that one is very popular.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a lot of people like it.
I want to ask the price. I can ask, but... what's the best way to say it naturally?
Take your time.
Yeah, sometimes it's not about English.
Uh-huh. It's about confidence, right?
Exactly. Excuse me.
Yes.
See? This moment.
Oh, yeah, that small moment of hesitation.
You know what to say,
But you're like, how do I say it nicely?
or is this natural?
Or will it sound weird?
Yes, exactly that feeling.
And that's totally normal.
Yeah, everyone feels this sometimes.
So don't worry, we're going to help you sound natural and confident.
Step by step, easy and real.
All right, Mizu.
Yeah.
Let's show them the best way to ask the price.
Aha! Yes, let's do it.
All right, Mizu. So in that moment, what should we say?
Good question, Lucas. Let's keep it super simple.
Yeah, simple is best.
Okay, everyone. The first and most common question is, how much is this?
Aha. Oh, yeah, I use that all the time.
Me too. It's easy, natural, and very safe to use.
So if you're holding one thing, like one jacket,
Yeah, just say, how much is this?
but Mizu, what if I have two things?
Oh, good point.
Like two shirts.
Then we say, how much are these?
Ah, these, not this.
Exactly.
So this is one,
Yeah, just one thing.
and these is more than one.
Perfect, Lucas.
Hey, I'm learning too.
We're all learning together. There's one more way you can ask.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can say,
How much does this cost?
Oh, wow. That sounds a little more complete.
Yeah, a bit longer, but still very natural.
So, quick recap, Mizu.
Sure. How much is this? How much are these? How much does this cost?
Nice and simple. I like it.
All right, let's practice a little.
Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
Okay, look at this.
Nice. I like it.
Ask me the price.
How much is this?
Perfect.
Now my turn. Look, 2 t-shirts.
Oh, nice.
Ask me.
How much are these?
Yes, that's it.
See? Very easy, right?
Yeah, you don't need big grammar.
Just simple, real English.
And a little confidence.
That's the key.
All right, Mizu, let's do a real situation from start to finish.
Oh, yeah, I'm ready. I'm the customer this time.
Perfect. I'll take care of you in the shop. Hi there. Welcome in. How are you today?
Oh, hi. I'm good, thank you. I'm just looking around for some new clothes.
Sounds good. Take your time and let me know if you need anything.
Oh, wow. These t-shirts look really nice. I like this one.
Yeah, that's one of our best sellers. It's very comfortable.
How much is this?
That one is $60.
Oh, wow, $60. That's a bit expensive for a t-shirt.
Yeah, I understand. It's a little higher because of the material.
That makes sense, but do you have something a bit cheaper?
Of course. Let me show you this one here. This one is $45 and it's still really good quality.
Oh, nice. $45 sounds much better. I like this color too. Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we do. We have white, black, and also a light blue.
Oh, wow. Light blue sounds nice. Can I see it?
Sure. Just a second. Here you go.
Oh, yeah, I really like this one. I think I'll take this one. Actually, I might take 2.
Oh, nice. Good choice.
So, how much are these?
For both, that will be $90.
Oh, okay. That's not bad at all. That's a good deal. Do you have both of these in medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have medium for both colors.
Perfect. That's exactly what I need. All right, I'll take both of them.
Great choice. I'll get those ready for you.
Thank you so much. That was really easy.
Yeah, you did great. Very natural.
Honestly, it feels much better when you just speak simply.
Exactly. Simple English, real situation. That's all you need. Mizu, you know what I like the most in shopping conversations?
What is it?
The reaction.
Oh, yeah. That moment right after you hear the price?
Exactly. It's so real and so human.
All right, so let's start with this situation.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ask me the price.
How much is this?
It's $120.
Oh, wow. That's expensive,
Yeah, you can really feel that.
right? You don't need big words, just your feeling.
You can also say, wow, that's a lot.
Oh, yeah, that sounds very natural.
And if you're not sure,
You can say, I'll think about it.
perfect, Lucas. That's very polite, too.
So you don't have to say no directly.
Yeah, you can be soft and natural. Now, let's change the feeling.
Oh, cheaper price?
Exactly.
How much is this?
It's $10.
Oh, wow. That's cheap.
Yeah, that sounds happy already.
You can also say, that's a good deal.
Oh, I like that one. It sounds very natural.
And if you like it, just say, I'll take it.
Uh-huh. Simple and clear. So remember, it's not just about asking the price. It's about how you feel and how you react.
Exactly. Use your voice, your face, your emotion.
Because that's real English.
Not perfect, but real. All right, Mizu. Before we finish, let's talk about some very real mistakes people make.
Oh, like the kind we hear all the time?
Exactly. Not textbook mistakes, but real-life speaking mistakes.
Okay, this is gonna be good.
So, first one, very common. People say, "How much this?"
Oh, yeah, I hear that everywhere.
Or sometimes, "How much this one?"
Yeah, especially when people are shopping.
And honestly, people will understand you.
Yeah, your message is clear.
But it sounds incomplete.
Exactly, like something is missing.
So, here's the simple fix. Instead of, "How much this?" say, "How much is this?"
Just one word, is, and boom, natural.
Second one, also very common. People say, "How much it cost?"
Oh, yes, I used to say that too.
See, even you.
Hey, I'm honest.
Again, understandable, but not correct.
Yeah, it sounds a bit translated from another language.
Exactly. So instead, say, "How much does it cost?"
Don't forget the does, that's the key.
And here's another real one. People often say, "This is too much expensive."
Oh, yeah, I hear that a lot too.
It's close, but not quite right.
So, what should we say?
"This is too expensive."
No much needed.
Or, if you want to sound more natural, "That's a bit expensive."
Oh, softer, more polite.
Exactly.
So, you see, these are small mistakes.
But fixing them makes a big difference.
You don't need perfect grammar.
Just small upgrades.
And suddenly, you sound much more natural.
See? Not scary at all.
Yeah, just tiny changes.
All right, guys. Now it's your turn.
Yes, let's practice together.
Speak with us. Don't just listen.
Yeah, this is your moment.
Repeat after me. How much is this?
Again, louder this time. How much is this?
And that's a bit expensive.
Oh, nice. That sounds natural. That's a bit expensive.
I'll take it.
Oh, wow. Confident shopper. I'll take it.
Do you have a cheaper one?
Do you have a cheaper one?
Say it out loud.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Nobody is judging you.
We all started like this.
The more you speak,
The more natural it feels.
keep going.
You're getting better already.
All right, Mizu. Before we go, I want to ask our audience something real.
Okay, what do you have in mind?
Think about your daily life for a second. When was the last time you went shopping?
Yeah, like maybe yesterday or sometime last weekend. Something simple like buying food or clothes.
And here's the real question. Did you actually use English in that moment?
Or maybe you wanted to ask the price in English, but you felt a bit shy, so you didn't say anything.
Yeah, that happens more often than people think.
It's completely normal. Everyone has that moment.
So, we're really curious. What about you?
Tell us your story in the comments. What did you say, or what did you want to say?
We actually read a lot of your comments, by the way.
Yeah, sometimes they're really funny, and sometimes we're like, oh, wow, I've done that too.
So, don't worry about being perfect.
Just share your real experience with us. That's how you learn.
All right, let's quickly go over what we learned today.
Today, you learned how to ask for prices and how to respond naturally in a real shopping situation.
And more importantly, you learned how to sound more natural with just small changes.
Yeah, because English is not about being perfect.
It's about communicating and connecting with people.
So, don't wait until you feel ready. Just start speaking.
Even simple sentences can help you build real conversations.
And the more you practice, the more confident you become.
If you enjoyed this lesson, you can support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel.
And share it with your friends so more people can learn English in a natural way.
All right.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.